Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to set certain contacts on ring even if your phone is on silent mode. For example, if you have certain favorite contacts or some contacts whom you don't want to miss even if your phone is on silent mode. So how to do all those settings in an Android phone. So let's see how to do that. For that you have to go for contacts. So for that I'll just click on this dial button. So in Android, usually by pressing this dial button, you go to this page where you can access contacts here. I'll just show you. If you can see, this is the contact. So I'll just press on contact. So for example, I want to go for certain contact in the name of Airtel. Okay, this contact. For example, this contact, I want this number to ring even if my phone is on silent mode. So what I would do is, you can see in the top of this contact page, there are three icons. So in the first icon, it is a star mark. I'll simply click on the star mark. So once I do that, I'll simply go to my settings. So here I'll simply go to Android settings. So in settings, you can see there's something called sounds and vibration. I click on sound and vibration, and here you can see there is something called do not disturb. In every Android phone, you can find this icon, that is do not disturb. Simply click on do not disturb, and here what you can do is, you can see some exception pages are there. So in exceptions, go for allow calls from, you can see it is already start contacts only. You can see by default it is set on start contacts only. So if at all it is set on anyone or contacts or no one, you can go for start contacts only. You have to select this. So once you do that, all the contacts which are starred mark, that is, I have shown you how to star mark a contact, but if at all you want to have more contacts, then follow the same process and mark them star. So a group of phone numbers will be there which will be star mark and which will be allowed to ring even if your phone is on do not disturb mode. So this is how you allow some of your contacts to ring even if your phone is on do not disturb mode. So friend, that's it. I hope you found a very useful thing today, a very useful technique to allow to ring even if your phone is on do not disturb mode. So if you found this video useful, please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.